3 laps here at Manfield Circuit. Chris Amon there for the 2019 MiniMoto Championships, and great to see so many people running around the pits all happy, and a lot of supporters there at varying ages. Well, I'm always interested by the difference in the gear, but a lot of the sidecar teams have actually got matching leathers there. There must be a supply coming to the countryside with some leathers. I identified someone that needed some support as we look at the CTAS footage there. CTAS doing an absolutely great job filming this live and recording it for later to available on YouTube, as is I think earlier this year at Timaru, just before the Timaru meeting at Grant Collingwood from CTAS Live announced that he'd just tipped over his millionth minute on YouTube of people looking at follow-up broadcasts of the Suzuki series and that sort of thing, and that was including jet sprints as well. Jet sprints we all know are relatively short, sharp races, so a millionth minute back then, and certainly he's taking up the hours as we go along. So Tim Swainson, George Vanell there up the front there, posted at 105. That's just making a start lap. But we'll get stronger in the second lap with Kevin Mayo, Justin King there, and second Jordan Waters and Luke Gray on the 44 machine in fourth. Josh Walland, Cody Osborne, a lot of these guys and girls across pollinating between classes. There in fourth, Ryan Stone, then McGill there takes fifth place. Campbell Hill, Logan Nicholson, Josh Devane, Lucky Craker there, 6th and 7th. Brecon Cameron, James Burton, and 8th, Seth Arthur, Watson Bailey, Scott Thornton, 9th spot with Crawford, Josiah Ross there in 10th. Ben Cripps, Aspen, Kennedy Goodwin, 11th, and Lachlan McNewer, Rogan to Jagger there, and 9th spot. 103 mark, and if you're out there in the New Zealand Superbike Championships on the full track, that would be a lap record, but we're here on the smaller track. I don't have any lap records for this actual event. Yellow flag out there coming out of the slip road. We've got 3 bikes out there really tight in the front. We've got 0.2 of a second, 1.1 and 0.6 of a second between first, second and third. And the third bike on the track, number 44. Can I see their number from here? They're actually posting the fastest time indeed. Something going wrong there. Looks like gear change issues there as the passenger changes from that right hand corner to the left. But a great battle coming out in the front there, and a change of position going into the Toyota corner there. A change of position. And I can see all those other changes of position, but it looks like Tim Swainson and George Vanell are probably relegated into second place. They'll come along here and get the white flag, indicating that it is the final lap. So exciting racing out in front, and further through the field there's a bit of dicey going on towards the tail end. So here they go down the start finish line, but that second bike is having something going on there. Slow so Tim Swainson and George Vanell opens up the gap there. In fact, that was the checkered flag there. That's the lap done and dusted, the race done and dusted for those 3 competitors. Tim Swainson, George Vanell, 103.1, 103.062 for Cameron Mayer, Jasmine King, and Jordan Walters and Luke Gray take third place with the fastest lap at 102.7. 102.033, sorry, 107 for fourth place. Josh Wallen and Cody Osborne. Fifth place, Ryan Stone and Liam McGill on the bike number. Where are they? That's the bike number 7 going through there. In fact, no, that's bike number 8 going through there. So we've lost possibly Ryan Stone and Liam McGill. No, I'm looking at their fastest laps. I apologise for that. Been a while since I've actually commentated and tried to pick up the various aspects of the screen. We've got standard sidecars, sidecars naked, and modified sidecars. So I'm just going to write down the results here for the sidecars. I've got 110cc motors as well for the standard 110 class, and I guess the modified will be the same, but hotted up there. So 5 is in second place, 6 is in third place, and 44 is in third place there. Great racing there, and out of the fields there. So I'm not sure what's happening next. We'll go through and check out the time and Pete Weeks music, folks. Oh, actually, I should really read off who else has finished that race. We were down to, I think, Ryan Stone, Liam McGill in 7th spot, Campbell Hill, Logan Nicholson takes 8, Ben Cripps, Aspen, Kennedy Goodwin, followed by Devon Crawford, Josiah Ross, and Brecon Cameron, James Burton. We have DNF for Seth Arthur, Watson, Bailey Smith, Josh Devane, Lockie Crafer, and Lockie Muir and Ronan De Jagger. They DNF'd, one got 2 laps in, the other got 1 lap in.